The spotted lanternfly, an insect originally from Asia, has made its way to North America. Although it's not known to be present in Canada, it is well established in the states bordering the provinces of Ontario and Quebec. This could be a problem. When you introduce a new insect into an existing forest ecosystem, it can significantly impact the health of that ecosystem. Scientists are racing against the clock, looking at the likelihood of the spotted lanternfly establishing itself in Canada. And for that, they need to ask themselves the most Canadian question ever. Can these tiny little invaders handle the cold?
My name is Dr. Amanda Roe. I'm a research scientist here at the Great Lakes Forestry Centre in Sault Ste. Marie, Ontario. So the spotted lanternfly is an invasive insect, a plant hopper, that has come into North America from East Asia. It established in the United States in 2014 and has since been spreading throughout the eastern US, and it's really on the edge of Canada's borders. It's a fairly distinctive insect. It doesn't really look like anything else that we have here. The nymphs are black and white or black, white, and red, and the adults are very distinctive. They have big black and white spots as well as a yellow body with red underwings. It specializes on feeding on plant juices that it draws through a sort of straw-like mouth part, and it feeds on a wide range of species, a bunch of different forestry trees, as well as things like grapes, hops, and fruit trees. It can weaken the plant that it's feeding on and potentially even killing the plant. So anything that you like to drink could be impacted by the spotted lanternfly. There's a lot of uncertainty in what the potential risk is to Canada's forests and agriculture. We know that it can survive in North America. We don't know to what extent it can survive Canadian winters. So here we have expertise in understanding insect cold tolerance, and so we're looking at whether Canadian winters may limit the dispersal and spread of the spotted lanternfly, and how much cold can a spotted lanternfly actually handle. One of the best tools we have to prevent spotted lanternfly from becoming established in Canada is to get the general public looking in the natural areas around them. Keep an eye out for things in the fall that might look like little gray patches, so those are the egg masses. They're quite cryptic, but they like to lay them on smooth objects, which people have in abundance. If you do see it, the most important thing is to report it to the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. Keeping your eyes open, not moving things like firewood, and being careful when you're going into areas that may have a spotted lanternfly infestation is really going to do a lot to try and prevent establishment of this species in Canada.
The spotted lanternfly isn't the only insect threatening our trees. Check out the video on screen right now if you want to learn about another invasive species, the hemlock woolly adelgid. Make sure to do all the YouTube things, like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for our next video.